What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on Request network. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamentals of this token, and I will show you what should you expect from the fundamental standpoint. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should you expect from the price action itself. So, and let's start with the price chart. As you can see, this asset moves sideways for several months, and we have the beginning of this chart from the end of August. And right here on November 24th, we have this massive surge in price for more than almost 400%. And then it immediately bounced to the downside and it lost about 35%. And I have to say that this first retracement is quite healthy. If I switch to hourly time frame, we have a very good price action. As you can see, we have several waves, and I have to say that this asset is quite technical, and you can capitalize on its movements, and I will show you how you can do it in my technical analysis. But for now, let's continue with the fundamentals for entire crypto industry. And we are sitting at a total market cap of $2.67 trillion. It is a 2.35% increase over the last day. And I have to say that major cryptocurrencies are in green, and they are in green on a 7-day period and on a 24-hour period as well. And this means we potentially might see a new uptrend for the entire crypto industry. But also we should realize that all of these tokens are quite independent for now from the Bitcoin and Ethereum moves, and that's why they are extremely interesting for now as a short-term and medium-term plays if you want to capitalize on its movements. So, and let's continue with the request itself. For now, it has a total market cap of only $630.45 million. It's up for about 186%. And its total tradable volume is $388.82 million. And it's up for mind-blowing 2,264%. So, really mind-blowing number. And let me show you what is this token about. Right here you can find that the Request utility token launched in 2017 ensures the performance and stability of the Request network. The Request network itself is an Ethereum-based decentralized payment system where anyone can request a payment and receive money through secure means. It moves the requirement for third parties in order to provide a cheaper, more secure payment solution that works with all global currencies. Very good statements. So, and let me show you their official Twitter. For now they have only 50,000 followers, and it's not so big, but it is just the beginning of this token. And let me quote you this tweet that is extremely important. On November 24th they posted this: "The Sandbox joins the list of Request Finance major clients." And here is the link, and it was published on November 23rd, and it says: "The Request Finance is pleased to announce that the metaverse gaming leader, The Sandbox, is the latest addition to the ranks of high-profile blockchain companies using Request Finance. The Sandbox commenced using Request Finance invoicing app at the start of 2021. Impressed with the invoicing app, the blockchain-based metaverse platform has continued to use Request invoicing to manage all its extensive fiat crypto invoicing, payroll and bookkeeping functions." And this partnership is really massive, and we all know and we all see that right after Mark Zuckerberg declared that he will start to create a metaverse, a lot of tokens that might be related to this metaverse skyrocketed, and Sandbox is one of these, and Request for now becomes another one. And this token, in my opinion, is situated at the very beginning of its journey to the huge numbers of its value. And let me show you these two websites. First of all, it is appwisdom.io, and this website tracks the activity around Reddit threads related to coins, tokens, stocks, and so on and so forth. And right here you can find that the Sandbox is on the 10th place. and the request is on the 11th place. And as you can see, it's up for 1,339 positions, and it has 223 mentions. And during the last 24 hours, it has a huge increase of more than 22,000% in these mentions. And it is just the beginning, in my opinion. On top of that, on stocktweets.com, on watchers section, you can find the request network on the first place with about 3,000 mentions during the last 24 hours. And this is mind-blowing. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let's take a look on a bigger picture on a daily time frame, and let's take a look on indicators. Right here, as you can see, we have this massive surge in price, and this leads to very high RSI number of 91.55. And for now, we have this retracement, and it is quite healthy to have this retracement and to remain bullish, mostly at the range that is above 70 points. And let me switch to 4 hours time frame. Right here, we also had a very high RSI of more than 97 points at this very point. And for now, we also have some kind of pullback, and this pullback is extremely healthy. So let's continue with the 30 minutes time frame. And what do we have here? We have pretty much neutral RSI, and we are ticking to the downside with MACD. But in my opinion, we might have right here a curvature of these bars, and this will indicate that this asset is starting to gain its momentum, and most likely it will continue its move to the upside. And what type of breakdown we might have right here? In my opinion, we have this is our first wave, this is our second, definitely this is the third wave, this is the fourth potentially, and this is the truncated fifth. And I don't know why it doesn't have the extension in the fifth wave, and I have to say that this breakdown might be incorrect, and we might have one more leg to the upside to finish our fifth wave, and this might be only the beginning of this fourth wave, and we might have even lower price targets in order to accumulate more steam. But for now, I think we have this is our highest point, and it doesn't change much in the upcoming targets and in the upcoming movements. So what should we expect next? Let me show you in details. We can project some Fibonacci retracement levels, just pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom right here to the very top, just swing low and swing high. And what do we have right here? We broke the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and if we will take a look on this top, if we will measure from this top of the fifth wave, we basically at the same level. That's why I've told you that it doesn't matter how you can measure this movement, because it's almost identical. So, and what should we expect? In my opinion, 0.5 is very good accumulation point that we might hit and have a trend reversal. And we didn't hit, as you can see, the 0.618 and 0.65 Fibonacci retracement level. It is a golden pocket, statistically the most probable level of trend reversal. Instead of this, we hit this range. Let me show it to you. The top of this candle, as you can see, acts as a very good support line right here at the price point of 53.3 cents. And you can accumulate your position by laddering your buys down. And this will give you very attractive average price in order to gain more profits. So, and what is our crucial level? It is 0.786. As you can see, it is a confluence with this top of the first wave, and we might even go lower, but statistically we have not more than 30% chances to hit this range. And you shouldn't rely on this level as your accumulation point in order to enter the trade. This point is not so likely to be hit by the price, and that's why you can start to accumulate from the ranges of about 60 cents to all the way down to about 48.5 cents. So, and what are our price targets? The closest price target might be right here. If I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this very bottom, and basically we have to pull it from this top, but I want to be sure that we are on a safer territory, and that's why I pull it from to this top and to the bottom of the retracement. So far we have this range as our bottom, and I don't need this tool for now. And we have to project our target. Our short-term target with the total bullishness of its asset is $1.71. And depending on your entry price, we might have about 174% to this range. Next target, more aggressive, might be at 2.618 extension level at $2.46. And from our current price, we might have about 300, almost 300% to this range. And next aggressive target is $3.2, and we might have about 400% to this range. So, in my opinion, it is just the beginning of the huge movement to the upside, and that's why you have to be cautious, but you can accumulate your position by laddering your buys down all the way down to the range of about 50 cents and slightly below this level. And if we will have a trend reversal, it will give a huge opportunity for you to make a lot of profits. So, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!